the Sliding E-Track Ratchet Strap from U.S. Cargo Control. Featuring a sliding ratchet design, you can easily position the ratchet to the most convenient location on the strap for optimal leverage and cargo storage. It's easy to operate. First release and open the ratchet handle. Next, attach the end fittings to E-Track. Move the red sliding bar to the adjust position. Then pull the webbing to slide the ratchet to your desired position. Once in place, move the red sliding bar to the lock position. Now pull any excess webbing through the mandrel toward the red sliding bar. Next, move the handle to the closed position, and while holding the excess webbing taut, ratchet the handle until the load is secure. Finally, bundle the excess webbing and lock the handle in place. When protecting your valuable items for transit, tie down with confidence using the Sliding E-Track Ratchet Strap from U.S. Cargo Control.